Keep going.
Is this? I don't know what it is, but oh.
What is it? I can't see it.
Oh.
Oh, it's to like cold stuff? Change and stuff?
Yep. Hello. Okay, here's the next thing.
What is that?
Ooh, a bunch of dental flosses.
Let me see. Show Daddy.
Ooh,
Ooh, pretty. To keep your teeth cleaned.
Yep.
See, Santa's still looking out for you.
Yep, he knows what I need.
Probably like a hint to brush your teeth more. Something fell. Jack. Jack. It's not your turn yet, Jack.
Okay, here's the next present. Hello Kitty pencil.
Ah, I bet that's to go in that little thing.
Oh yeah. It goes in this. Wait a second. Where are the pencils?
Well, open it. You have to open it.
Oh yeah. Here it is. So there's only 4, and this one has much more. Okay, I don't know how to do this.
You have to pop it up.
Aha.
Goofy. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Daisy, what is going on?
Probably has a hairball.
No.
She probably has a
Oh.
hairball, Mom.
You okay?
Probably has a
That it?
hairball.
That's it? Okay, good. I'm so glad.
I think that's a hairball, Mama.